Hey guys, are you tired of annoying app popping up everywhere on your Android phone? Good news, in this video, I will show you 5 simple settings that can help reduce ads, stop annoying pop-ups, and give you a cleaner browsing experience. Just follow each step with me and you will notice a big difference. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on private DNS. First, open Settings app on your Android phone. Now tap Connections. So scroll down, tap More Connection Settings. Select Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. Type dns.adguides.com. Now tap Save. This helps block many ads while you browse the internet. It wouldn't block every ad, but it's a great first step. Step 2. Change Google Chrome settings. Now open Google Chrome. Tap the 3 dots in the right top corner. Tap Settings. Now scroll down and click on Site Settings. Now change these 3 settings. Notifications. Tap Notifications. Now click on this. Don't allow site to send notifications. Just go back. Scroll down. You will see pop-ups and redirects. Make sure it's blocked. This prevents website from opening unwanted pop-up pages. Intrusive ads. Click Intrusive ads. Turn it on. So Chrome blocks ads from websites, knowing for showing misleading or annoying ads. Step 3. Stop apps from popping over other apps. Go back to Settings. Scroll down. Tap App. Tap the 3 dots on the right top corner. Click on Special Access. Click on Appear on top. You see a list of apps. Turn off this permission for any app you don't want showing pop-ups over other apps, such as Facebook, TikTok, or any other app you don't trust. Step 4. Reduce Google's ad tracking. Go back to Settings. Scroll down. Tap Google. Open All Services. Scroll down. Click Ads. Click on Ad Privacy. Turn off ad topics as suggested ads. If ad measurement is on, turn it off and reset the measurement data. This helps reduce how Google uses your activity to personalize ads. Step 5. Reset your advertising ID. Still inside the ad menu, tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm. Then click Delete Advertising ID and confirm again. This clears the advertising profile Google has built for your previous activity. And finally, all you need to do is to restart your phone. Allow your phone to restart. After your phone turns back on, you have more privacy and you are likely to see fewer ads while browsing and using some apps. That's it. Those are 5 simpler Android settings that can help reduce your annoying ads and improve your privacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another easier Android tip. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.